everybody, so today I just want to do a chill kind of get ready with me. This is gonna be really real. To be honest, I'm going through some stuff and I'm a little bummed out tonight, and I didn't necessarily want to be bummed out because I'm not the type of person that likes to be bummed out. So I decided to do what makes me happy, and that is film. And this is the look that I came up with. So this is going to be a very chill get ready with me. There's not going to be any instructions. I just figured, you know, I'd put on some chill music, or like you guys could play your own music and just kind of get ready. Everything that I use will be listed down below, or I will have little like things telling you what I'm using. But yeah, I just want to let you know that if you're going through a hard time as well, that you're not alone. And although, you know, I really only come on here when I am doing great, that I, like you, have trials and tribulations. And yeah, so that's all I'm gonna say. I don't want to get into it, but just know that you're not alone, and my DM is always open if any of you guys need to talk. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this like neon smoky green makeup look, then just keep watching.
Push the gas, get a motherfucking nosebleed. Missing someone, love with all your heart. Missing someone, love with heart. How much you miss it, and you deserve. From the start, and you did right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. Missing someone. I am sad and so down. I am sad and so down.